Chiku suddenly heard strange noises coming from beneath the streets late at night. Curious and alert, he slowly followed the sound through the empty road until he stopped at one strange spot near an underground sewer tunnel. For a few seconds, Chiku just stared at the ground silently. Then suddenly, he started barking loudly and non-stop. People nearby gathered around, confused about why Chiku was acting so strangely, but moments later, they heard it too. Muffled voices were echoing from underground. A few people carefully opened the tunnel entrance and went down to check, and what they discovered shocked everyone. A gang of thieves was secretly hiding inside the sewer tunnel, planning to rob a jewelry store nearby. Police arrived quickly, the thieves were arrested, and once again, Chiku became the hero who saved the city from a major robbery.
Want more stories of Chiku? Subscribe!